Welcome to Mechanic. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the two lines you see when you back up. You can see there's two lines right here. How to turn those on and off, and how to make the camera stay on longer even when you start driving forward for about 10 seconds or so on a Jeep. So this works in Jeep Renegades or any Jeep that has this radio unit on it. Press apps on the right, press settings, go down here, select safety assistance, ParkView and backup, active guidelines. You can turn that on, off if you don't like it. Go back, camera delay, press that on. So what this does, it keeps the, even though you might shift from reverse to drive and start driving forward, if you have this on, it'll keep the backup view a little bit longer on your screen. If you put it to off, it'll switch, turn off right away and just display your radio. So that's how you change those two settings on your Jeep. Thank you for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.